Hello, welcome to the SunPath headquarters here in Beaverton, Oregon. Today we're going to talk about 5 tips that homeowners can use when they're exploring the options for solar at their home. First one is to get multiple bids. If you're not getting multiple bids from installation companies, you're likely leaving opportunity on the table. Tip number 2 is to make sure that the quotes that you get from solar installation companies call out the actual equipment that would be used during your installation. If they're just generic line items on there specifying a 400 watt panel and an inverter, but it doesn't tell you the brand or the model, they're likely using subpar equipment and you should get a better quote. Probably the most important tip we have for homeowners who are looking into solar is to schedule an on-site solar assessment with a few of the installation companies that you're most interested in working with. That's the only way that they're going to find out site-specific details that are important to all aspects of the installation process. There are also solar companies out there that will have you sign an installation agreement before they do an on-site assessment. And they're either going to charge you for that site assessment or they're going to have you sign a contract before they have all the details, and they're going to come back later and add additional charges to your installation cost. Tip number 4 is to take into account different panel and inverter brands. Every installer has their own preference in terms of the panels and inverter solution that they use, and warranties, quality, and price can vary significantly across these different brands. Tip number 5 is don't succumb to sales pressure. Take your time, educate yourself on the proposals that you're considering, and in the end, you're going to choose the contractor that you're most comfortable working with.